Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today I'm going to do a mashup, I don't know. I'm showing you some videos that I made a long time ago, back in 2018, kind of long time ago. And this was a collab with Little Crafty Kitty back in 2018, okay? And it was back to school collab 2018, and I was the host of this, which was super fun, and it might be a little cringing too, so I'm gonna watch with you guys. Hi everyone, welcome to School Collab. Challenge this week is school supplies, so be sure to check everyone in the description box down below who's part of the collab. I'm also making a playlist. Okay, so first up, I'm showing you how I made the binder. I'm doing a yellow one instead of another green one. This one's going to be for more like my boys, I'd have to say. So the measurement is basically 1/2 inch long, and then it's 1 inch wide, and then the spine itself is 1/2 inch long and 1 centimeter wide. And I just did that, and then you just fold over. I used the index card. The first one that I did, which is the green binder in the picture, I used a toilet paper roll. I preferred that over anything. I also had to use white glue to like secure the color paper onto it, which is just scrapbooking paper from Dollar Tree and construction paper. But I had to use white glue, which, even though it kind of leaves a little bit of wrinkles, but it's okay. I think it turned out really well. Okay, this part right here kind of blows my mind because I haven't seen anybody else do this, so pay attention. I'm also using hot glue and needle nose pliers and wire cutters to bend this wire like so. I got the wire at Dollar Tree, and I got the clippers at Walmart a long time ago. I'm pretty sure they still have it, but I like this wire because it's easy to bend even if you don't have that stuff. So that's basically what I did, and then I took a button and some elastic to make the closure, and I glued it into the spine. So now this clip is me poking holes into a piece of paper that I did accordion style. I'm making the notebook is 1 inch long by 1/2 inch wide, and like I said, I'm just using that Dollar Tree wire and going from front to back. It's a lot easier doing that way, and I also pulled off the coding, so it's pretty simple. Feel free to customize it with stickers, washi tape, any color paper that you like. I kind of went with the theme. I wanted yellows with yellow, like I did with the green. I went green and pink because that paper had green and pink. So feel free to do whatever you'd like to use for school supplies. So now I'm going to show you how I made these pencils for my dolls. They are not working pencils, but they still look kind of cute nonetheless. I'm just taking a little paper clip, and I'm just taking my nail nose pliers, and I'm just flattening it out as best as I can. And then I'm just going to take my wire cutters, and I'm just going to cut it, and then I'm just going... Okay, let's pause real quick. Let's talk about my editing and my filming skills. 1, this is the land before no tripod. 2, I was using my lighting as my tripod. I don't use that lighting anymore, obviously. And I still never get things in focus, you know? Even with a tripod. So Erica, make a mental note of this and start making sure that people can actually see what you're doing. I'm going to take my kitchen scissors, and I'm going to cut a tip, like kind of a short tip at like an angle on the top, and then I'm just going to take, and for the eraser, I'm going to take pink fingernail polish, and I'm just going to take the tip of it at the bottom, and that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check down in the description box down below for everybody's channel who's part of this collab. The challenge was to keep it 5 minutes long, and no longer because not everybody will pay attention. Bye! Again, nobody ever pays attention if the video is super long, and I wasn't lying because it's totally, completely true. So let's go on to the second video. Hi everyone, welcome back to school collab theme week number 2, which is back to school clothes. I chose uniforms. The colors that I chose was beige bottoms, whether it was a skirt or shorts or a dress or even pants, and then I also chose white for the top, and I chose a gray t-shirt material for the vest or cardigan. I kept it very simple. They actually are all wearing socks, but you can't really see on all of them. I made them different lengths, actually using a real sock. So that is pretty much all that I did. I was actually going to make more than 8. I wasn't just going to do uniforms. I was going to do like kid clothes for like my littler doll. I just didn't get to do that at this time because I ran out of Velcro, and I also ran out of time, and a week goes by really fast. Okay, let's pause real quick. I'm very impressed with myself. I made 8 outfits in a week without a sewing machine. This is before I even had a sewing machine. This is 2018. I didn't even know how to use a sewing machine. So this is impressive that I managed to make 8 shirts, 8 skirts or pants or shorts or even a dress. So that was like 8 bottoms. Not only did I make that, I also made at least probably about 4 or 5 cardigans. Well, this one's a vest, but still, that's impressive for someone who did it by hand. And I remember the shirt was actually cotton material, so is the bottoms, and the cardigans and vest is actually a t-shirt material. So I'm actually really impressed that I managed to make 8 uniforms. So I need to stop hating on myself. So let's go on to the next video. Hey everyone, this is Back to School collab week number 3, and it's all about back to school lunches. Be sure to check down in the description box down below to check out everyone else's video who is part of this collab. I just love PB&J with milk. Pearl, quit begging. You know I'm gonna give you a bite. Don't eat the whole thing. Gotta share some for Mama. Come on, you gotta jump up and get it if you want it. Isn't it good? I just love grape jelly. I just love that crunchy peanut butter. Claire, are you feeding that dog? Well, a dog's gotta eat too, you know. Don't feed that dog your food. You're gonna starve for the rest of the semester if you keep feeding that filthy animal. Don't worry about it. It's my food, okay? Whatever, honey. More ice cream for me. Thank you for watching. Okay, I gotta pause. Hold on. I gotta pause because that was a skit, and it may not have been the perfect skit. It may not be stop motion, but still, it was a skit. And I remember the food was actually made out of paperboard and tissue and color pencils. It's before I had clay and before I even had actual chalk pastels. So I'm impressed. Now, the music is very loud on this one, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Hi everyone, welcome back for week number 4, Back to School collab challenge. Everyone is going to be linked down below who's part of this collab. This week's theme is Walker decor. I made a little bit of Walker decor for my dolls. It's really simple. Could it be any louder? Okay. So it looks like I am using an index card. Obviously I did not do a voiceover, but it looks like I'm doing an index card for the background of my locker. And I'm also using that Dollar Tree paper. It's like those decorative sheet papers, and it looks like I glued it on top of it to give it decoration. And I used flamingo because 1, the flamingo paper, and 2, I had the flamingo stickers. Fun fact, this is 2021, and this was back in 2018. I still have these stickers. Just saying. So apparently, I'm just gonna decorate this flamingo paper with flamingo stickers. Pretty much what I'm doing. But I do remember that I decorated more than one locker, but I think this is the only one that I showed. Oh, I'm adding some sparkly gems. Maybe this is a girly locker. Or a boy who likes flamingos. No judging. Here's my locker. This is actually not toothpaste boxes or anything. I actually made this entire box. I think it was like a cereal box or something. But see, I decorated it different, and I even added the school supplies in here as well. This one I ended up making like a little pocket, and I added fake flowers into it. Oh, it's a little fox. I still have those stickers too. Okay, so that was locker decor. I think there's one more. Let's go see. Oh, there is one more. And last week is classroom decor. Be sure to check everybody out in the description box down below who is part of this collab. This is an overview of the room, and I'm actually recycling the same room that I used for the lockers and the lunchroom. So they're desks and chairs from my friend Helen, and I added some loose papers, book. Hold on. What lunchroom? I did not see a lunchroom in the food video. So this is interesting. Some filing folders and an apple and a coffee cup and a pen, and all that stuff was made from the past week of last month, which was part of this collab. The student's desk is actually the lunchroom table that I was in the process of making and that I never showed you guys. And I just added some loose paper and pencils and some books and notebooks and binders from the collab of this month. My chalkboard is green, and I used some holographic silver paper for the back. And I went with the green chalkboard because I didn't have black paper, and I removed the chalkboard that used to be green. This is the bulletin board, and I used brown paper and the same holographic silver paper, and it's actually on an index card, and it's smaller than the chalkboard. I wonder, like, who is our substitute teacher going to be? I wonder if she's going to be stupid, like our real teacher. Mary Kate, that's not nice. Yeah, Mary Kate, I totally agree with Cashmere. You should be really nice to the substitute teacher. She might be a little nervous. I don't know, I kind of agree with Mary Kate. This teacher might be so stupid. Hello, everyone. I am Miss Jax. I am going to be your substitute teacher for the next few weeks. Wow, she does, like, sound so stupid. That's, like, not cool, Mary Kate. You shouldn't talk about the teacher like that. She deserves respect. Who was talking? It's best to be honest with me. I don't like to be lied to. I want a quaint class, and I mean it. Miss Jax, I was talking, and it won't happen again. I'm so sorry. I can see you're going to be trouble, girl. I will definitely keep my eye on you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. What the heck? Like, okay. Alright. I don't know what that was, but I think that was a little skit. I think it was okay. I really don't know. I mean, like, that was 2018, this is 2021. I don't make skits anymore, but I am definitely going to bring them back, and hopefully they will be fingers crossed and toes crossed better than before. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I will link the playlist down below if you want to check out anyone else's video who was part of that collab. I noticed that in the playlist that some of the people are missing, and some of the people didn't do like all of the videos that they were supposed to do, but if you want to see them, they'll be linked in the description box down below in the playlist. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.